Well, the appearance of coronavirus in the U.S. is causing health, school, and business leaders to plan for the worst-case scenario.
Now, Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer has more on a local meeting held today to talk strategy in case COVID-19, as it's called, becomes a big problem here.
At the Memorial Coliseum through the morning, close to 200 people gathered for a sobering topic: what to do if the novel coronavirus shows up and spreads fast. So far, there are no known cases anywhere in Indiana, but the threat is still real.
It's been incredible how much we have learned about COVID-19 in a very short period of time.
Dr. Jeffrey Board is Parkview Health's Chief Quality and Safety Officer and would be a busy man if the virus that has hit hard in China gets a foothold in this area. Doctors, school superintendents, police, and CEOs came to discuss the logistics of possible quarantines, widespread travel restrictions, and how companies would operate with lots of workers out sick.
Everyone should be prepared for what they should think about with their families and their business and their work, and how are they going to conserve resources if it does spread.
Limited resources are a concern with the prospect of having to tackle a pandemic, including coming up with enough staff to treat people, enough kits to test for the virus, and drugs able to properly treat the sick or prevent infection altogether. If the novel coronavirus did indeed begin to spread with significance in our area, one of the most effective ways of controlling that is something that's a little unsettling to folks, and that's the idea of closing schools for weeks. In one of the breakout sessions, talk of the possibility of school getting pushed back into June or July and the problems that could create for graduating seniors.
There's a lot of other concerns that trickle out that we haven't really thought through.
It certainly gives you a moment of pause. We do have to start thinking now about what it might look like if we get to that point.
Allen County's health commissioner makes the case for taking such a dramatic step.
So in lieu of treatment, vaccine, and all those things, we try and use that separation, of that space separation, and sometimes that means closing a whole facility.
While a planning conference like this takes place, science is doing double duty in search of a cure before an outbreak could cause so much havoc in our daily lives. Jeff Newmeyer, Fort Wayne's NBC.
Fort Wayne's NBC News has put together a comprehensive list of stories on the coronavirus. Head to our website, fortwaynesnbc.com. Click on the News tab at the top of the homepage and then scroll down to find the Coronavirus tab for our continuing coverage.